How to turn off comments on Facebook post. So if you want to turn off the comments on Facebook post, then first of all, open up your Facebook application and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, go to the upper right corner which has a 3-barred icon. And now tap on your profile. And here scroll down and choose a photo that you would like to hide the comments. And after choosing, go to the upper right corner of the photo which has a 3 dots icon. Simply tap on that, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have an option which says who can comment on your post. Tap on that, and here you have to choose the last option and then tap on done. And that's it. That's how you turn your comments off on your Facebook post. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.